Hello, wonderful people of YouTube. This is Ryan. It's been a while, but I wanted to show you my newest project, and that is the engine for my 240SX. I take the car autocrossing and with SECA, so it's a SECA Solo 2 autocross. Anyways, the car's been sitting for 3 years with a rod knock, and with the COVID going on, I figured, okay, I might as well just go ahead and rebuild the motor. So what I have here is another block. There's an engine in my car, but picked up another block and had a shop go through this to make sure everything checks out, that it's a usable block. And I had also balance the crank, and I should have had it polished as well, but I had the shop balance the crank and I had them install it. So this is a Nissan Japan made block. So Nissan Japan, it's also stamped with a 40F. So there's a few little differences between the Nissan truck 2.4 versus the Nissan 240SX 2.4. So, like I said, this is the block for my 240SX, and as you can see, I've already had it. I already painted it silver, and I already put together one of the pistons for it. So this is, as you can see, custom made pistons for myself. Again, I take the car autocrossing, and to stay with the class that I'm in, I had to go to a specific build. So the early 240SXs had 9.1 compression ratios before Nissan dropped it to 8.6, and Nissan Motorsports, or Nismo, later sold the 9.1 as a performance piston. Anyways, those are no longer available, and so I had a shop custom make me a set of pistons. Again, like I said, they're supposed to be 9.1. I got paperwork from the piston maker that they are 9.0. So I don't know. So if you're gonna contact the piston maker that I went with, you want to double check, make sure you get the right pistons. I just want to get this car back together on the road, so I said forget it. I'm just gonna run with what they sent me. Anyways, so again, like I said, stock block, balanced crank, and I had Rebello Racing prep the cylinder head for me. Again, this is for the autocross class that I compete in, so you can only port about an inch from the mating surface. So had him go through the block. I actually brought him, or head. I actually brought Rebello 3 cylinder heads, and I had Dave Rebello pick which one was the best, and had him clean up that cylinder head for me. So right now I'm hoping to get everything done today. Like I said, I've already got one of the pistons on the rod, so I'll be putting them together, and I'll be putting them on the block. This is not going to be a how-to. This is just more, this is what I'm doing, and next time you see the cut, I should have all the pistons in the block. So see you in a bit. All right, just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what I've gotten done so far on the block. So far I have the pistons and rods installed in the block. I've also installed the oil pickup tube and the rear main seal. So those are all done. I've also installed the chain sprocket and the oil pump. I don't know what it's called, but the gear, oil pump gear. So now I just got to do the timing chain section, put the head on, put the oil pan back on there, and I'm home free. All right, let me get back to work here. Cheers.